Hey guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to fix touchscreen unresponsive in Corner and Samsung Galaxy A06. If you're using Galaxy A06 and you're facing the issue that your touchscreen is unresponsive from corners, like you can use your touchscreen from the center or from this area, but you're unable to use this from your corners. So let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to go to your settings app, go to display, and here you gotta make sure that you have enabled these two toggles like accidental touch protections and touch sensitivity. Once you have done this, it might help you to fix out your issue because sometimes it might be that your touch sensitivity is low or your accidental touch protection is not enabled, so you might get these type issues. So after doing that, you have to retry to check if it's working for you or not. If it's still not working, so you can go to your settings app again, go to software update section, and just make sure that you're up to date. Your phone might have an pending software update, and then just scroll down, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on this restart icon again to have a restart with your phone. Once your phone has been restarted, your issue might have been fixed and you will not get this issue again. But if you're still facing the same issue, so there's the only way. You have to check your touch screen physically if it's damaged, because sometimes it might be if your phone screen is physically damaged or your screen protector is damaged, so you might see these type errors. So I recommend you have to make sure that your screen is not damaged or it's not broken. If you might see that your phone screen is broken or is damaged, so you can try to change it, or you can also try to repair this. And once you have done, your issue might have been fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.